Chapter 1. The Language of Chemistry. Introduction. Chemistry is the scientific study of matter, its properties, composition, structure, behavior, and the changes it undergoes during chemical reactions. It is a central science that bridges the gap between physics and biology, providing insights into the nature of substances and their interactions. The study of chemistry helps us to understand the world around us and enables us to explain various phenomena that occur in our everyday lives. It explores the structure of matter at the atomic and molecular level, explaining why substances behave the way they do and how they interact with each other. To study chemistry, one must be familiar with its language and symbols. Chemical formulas, equations and nomenclature are used to represent elements, compounds, and reactions. Laboratory experiments and techniques are also an integral part of learning chemistry, as they provide hands-on experience in observing and manipulating substances. A pure substance is a material that consists of only one type of element or compound. It has a uniform and definite composition throughout, meaning that all particles within the substance have the same chemical identity. Pure substances can exist in different physical states, such as solid, liquid, or gas, depending on temperature and pressure conditions. Regardless of the state, the composition and chemical properties of a pure substance remain constant. It is important to note that mixtures, on the other hand, are not considered as pure substances. A mixture consists of two or more substances physically combined but not chemically bonded. Mixtures can be separated into their individual components by physical means, such as filtration or distillation. The symbol of an element is a unique abbreviation used to represent that element in the periodic table and chemical formulas. Each element has its own specific symbol, typically derived from the element's name in English or Latin language. These symbols are used to represent elements in chemical equations, formulas, and other chemical notations. The position of the element in the periodic table is based on its atomic number, which is equal to the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom. The symbol helps to indicate the atomic number and hence the element's position in the periodic table. Atomicity refers to the number of atoms present in a molecule or an element. It indicates the number of atoms that are chemically bonded together to form a stable unit. The atomicity of a substance can vary widely. Some substances exist as single atoms, while others consist of molecules composed of two or more atoms chemically bonded together. Molecules can be monoatomic, diatomic, and polyatomic. Monoatomic elements such as helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon exist as single atoms. These elements do not naturally combine with other atoms to form stable molecules. Diatomic. Certain elements form stable molecules composed of two atoms chemically bonded together. Examples include oxygen, nitrogen, and hydrogen. These diatomic molecules are held together by covalent bonds. Polyatomic. Many substances consist of molecules containing more than two atoms. For example, water H2O is a polyatomic molecule composed of two hydrogen atoms bonded to one oxygen atom. Carbon dioxide is another example of a polyatomic molecule consisting of one carbon atom bonded to two oxygen atoms. Triatomic, tetratomic, and octatomic molecules all come under this category. The concept of atomicity is important in understanding the chemical behavior and properties of substances. It influences factors such as reactivity, stability, and physical characteristics like melting and boiling points. It is worth noting that atomicity should not be confused with the term atomic number, which refers to the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom and is used to identify different elements. Molecules are formed when atoms interact with each other through chemical bonds, which can be either covalent or ionic. In a covalent bond, Atoms share electrons to achieve a more stable electronic configuration. In an ionic bond, atoms transfer electrons to form charged particles called ions, which are held together by electrostatic forces. Molecules can consist of atoms of the same element such as diatomic molecules or different elements such as compounds. For example, oxygen gas is a molecule composed of two oxygen atoms bonded together, while water H2O is a molecule consisting of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. The symbol of an element can also provide information about its atomic mass. In some cases, the atomic mass may be included as a superscript or subscript alongside the symbol. For example, the symbol C represents carbon and the atomic mass of carbon is typically indicated as 12.01 atomic mass units mol. The arrangement and types of bonds between atoms in a molecule determine its shape, properties and behavior. Molecules can vary in size from small molecules like carbon dioxide to large and complex molecules like proteins and DNA. Molecules play a crucial role in many chemical and biological processes. They participate in reactions, undergo chemical transformations and interact with other molecules through various forces, such as hydrogen bonding and van der Waals forces. When elements chemically combine to form a compound, they lose their individual properties and exhibit new properties different from those of the constituent elements. Compounds have specific chemical formulas that represent the types and ratios of atoms present in the compound. A compound has definite composition, meaning it always contains the same elements in the same proportions. For example, water H2O is always composed of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Compounds often exhibit different physical and chemical properties than the elements from which they are formed. For example, sodium is a highly reactive metal, while chlorine is a toxic gas. However, when combined, they form the compound sodium chloride, which is a stable and non-toxic crystalline solid commonly known as table salt.